Hi guys, this is Chandrasekhar. Today we will learn how to create a new user in SQL Server using SSMS. So first you have to log in with your window credential. After that you just select here security. Just expand this and just right click on the logins and just click here new login and use this SQL Server authentication and put your login name here. I just put here Oliver. Okay, Oliver, and just put your password that you want to use in your login. Okay, and after that we have a three option here: enforce password policy, enforce password expiration, user must change password at next login. So I will not use this second option because I don't want to expire my password for my user. So I just uncheck, but you can use if you want. And after that you see here default database. So you can also, if you want to change your default database, then you can change from here. I don't want, so I will not do this change. And after that, you just click here, OK. Just click on the OK and see, I have one new user, Oliver. OK. And if you want to connect with this, just click here and use this Oliver and use the password, enter your password that you have entered at your user creation time. So, and just click here in the connect. See, now you have login with your Oliver user. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you once again. Thank you.